class, we're going to understand the very basic table code, and we have to write down on a piece of paper what will be the output. Then we examine by using the code learning by doing method, right? So here start with the table and closing by a table. So this is actually a table code. How many cell, how many row, how many column are present within this code? That is very important to understand. So very basic idea, start by a table tag and closing a table tag. So this is definitely a table code. There is no caption, so we should not worry about the caption. Now, how many rows will be present within the table? So the table row start, table row close. So row number 1. Again, table row start and closing and table closing. So here definitely 2 table row present within the code. So what we have to write, the name, right? Name, and it is actually a table header name, afterward the phone number, right? And so this is actually the row number 1 and row number 2. Here Zen Sir, so name will be Zen Sir, so it should not start from the middle because it is actually table data. So Zen Sir here, and TD, it means second, the number 0134 ... This is number. There is another number, this one, so this number will be here 01873 ... But on this number there is nothing written because for row number 1 only table data name and phone number. There is nothing else written here. Hope you understand for row number 1. Row number 2, there are 3 things. One is Zen Sir, then the number, another number, right? So this number has to written within the row number 2, but on row number 1, the third column, nothing need to be written here because it's empty. So now let's see my output is correct or not. So this is actually the output. So the name, of course, name, afterward the phone number in the very first row, and second row Zen Sir, then number, and third table data. By the way, there was no border, so let's write down here border. Let's write down border 2. Indeed, there will be a border. So if it is border written here as an attribute of the table, so we have to write down the border, right? So this is the border, right? So here nothing need to be written because there is no cell here. So this is actually the output and the understanding of the code, right? Hope you understand.